i35equipment.com. This is Caterpillar 320E hydraulic track excavator. This machine does have the long reach arm on it. Fantastic for cleaning ponds. Allows you to get out there and scrape the bottom of your pond up without getting stuck in the mud on the banks. Also really good for your real deep trenching projects. Well, can you come look at her for yourself? You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you. We are open by appointment only. Just give us a call, get on the calendar so we can have the gates open for you. Phone number is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country. So getting it shipped to you should not be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email. Call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share an address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker to get back the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. And our specialty here is consignment sales. So if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, fill out the form on the website. We'll be happy to visit with you about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We can help you get your machinery sold. Excellent reach on this machine. I know some companies use them for demolition as well. Now we do have other buckets available. This is the only one that comes with it. However, if you have a need for a specific size of bucket, check out our website. We have all the specs for what buckets fit, and you see our full inventory of new and used digging and trenching buckets online as well. The machine has cold AC, hot heat, switchable control pattern, so no matter who's operating, they can feel right home with pattern control of their choice. Just excellent power. The 320 has real great balance of power and size to get your big jobs done. It does have dual travel speeds for getting across the job site or the pasture a little quicker. Now, if you're in our local area, we do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. Just give us a call. We'll unlock the gate and show you where to dump at. Please no grass, trash, or trees. As you can hear, working horn and travel alarm. We'll let him get parked, then we'll take you check out the motor, all the access panels, and we'll hop up in the operator's cab last and look around inside there. Looks like he's got all the work lights on for you. Don't remember what size of bucket this is exactly, but we do have all the specs on the website. Like I said, not only the size of the bucket and all the specs for the machine, but also the pin size and ear width, so you can see if there's, in case there is a specific bucket you're needing, you can see what buckets would fit it. And the safety rail looks real good, not bent up from working in the trees or anything. This is a no def required machine, always a great feature to have. Yeah, all the hand safety rails are straight. Looks like it has good mirrors all the way around. Real clean up here. That is the big Cat C600 Acert. Good power. Sounds to be running excellent in my opinion. I didn't see any blow by. Like I said, they'll look out for yourself and bring your mechanic. The fluids all look real good on this machine. This is your hydraulic fill, your diesel fill, of course. Here, all Caterpillar filters. Oh, let's take out that hydraulic fluid. Now the hydraulic fluid does hook right on, perfect in the middle. Rollers look good. Get a feel on these pins. Those look really good. And sprockets have a lot of life left in those for sure. Camera up there. There's the website where you can see all the photos and specs. It's got all the guard. Looks like it has all the guard plates. Don't see anything leaking, nothing weird. Just the way you want it to be. We've got 4 batteries. Of course, it is a 24-volt system. Battery switch. Pretty clean down in here. Door panels look straight. This here, undercarriage is real nice. Ahead and hop up here. I'm going to zoom out to the fisheye lens to give you a good view. Before we do, show you that pattern control switch here. It's going to fold back the floor mat, pop open that access panel, and that is your control pattern valve. Factory cat seat with a Caterpillar seat cover in it. I'm going to shut these work lights off. That way we can get a better view. The screens will be brighter that way. No codes, no issues, nothing weird going on the dash here. Get you a view of your hour meter. Over here on this side, you just have your hydraulic safety switch, horn. Pretty sure this has travel pedal. Let's just verify that real quick. That's the bucket. Give it a little horn. Seems locked in right now. Let's try it out though, because I'd kind of like to know for you guys. Seems like there's this pin right here. I don't think it's a big deal though. I'm going to check it out when we get done, and I'll put it on the notes just to let you guys know, and it'll be on the website. Throttle, hitting the button for the camera. It's not popping up, but it did have a camera back there, so I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or have it in the wrong setting. Travel speed, auto RPM light down, winch wiper fluid. This is your radio and HVAC back here. It looks like it has the remnants of a operator's manual. Radio's not coming on. I don't know if there's a button here for it, but if you're like me, you probably listen to your phone more anyway. Appreciate you guys taking time to watch. Hope this video was beneficial to you. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com, and the phone number is 405-833-6437. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.